We wanted to make a perfect watch for explorers and adventurers above the ground and under the water. Durable, reliable, accurate and super legible. The Chronotechna COSC dive is diver's watch which offers probably one of the best time reading experience on the market. My name is Pavel Kalouš and I am CEO of Chronotechna. Today we are in La-Chaux-de-Fonds, the mecca of Swiss watchmaking industry and the home of Habillage du Temps, the company which is making Chronotechna watches since very beginning. Everything is centralized here. Manufacturing of our steel cases, assembling of the watches and final testing is done in this building. All of our tests are done on highest Swiss standard. There are many interesting things with this watch. 300 meters of waterproofness or COSC certification of our movements. But the main goal was to make the most legible diver's watch on the market. The black technology which we are using is quite delicate and it forces us to find a clever way how to add lume to dial. It was a big challenge, but the result is stunning. And to be honest, I am wearing it every day. I can wear it with my suit and it fits perfectly, which is something which I love about this watch. It's a tool watch, but really versatile. This watch is truly exceptional. If you look at the steel case and quality of finishing, COSC certification, which is not usual for the watch at this price level, and a completely Swiss-made production, the COSC dive is an amazing choice.